Today we had this AI Resilience Summit in Indian Institute of Science in collaboration with the E-Governance Department, Government of Karnataka. This is in preparation of the AI Summit which is going to happen in Delhi next month. And the idea is to come out with the models and the roadmap to bring the best capabilities of AI for human consumption, for the citizens' welfare and benefits. I'm sure with all the intelligence that is available in Bangalore and the public infrastructure available and the great achievements already done in IT and AI, Bangalore shall show the way for AI applications to not just the country but the world. I wish my best greetings to all the people who are working in this team, and I'm sure in the days to come we will see the results for everyone's benefit. Thank you.
We deeply appreciate the inputs that we have received over the past few days of, in fact, past few months of engagement that we have had with all the stakeholders in the working group. Also the stakeholders that are contributing to the development of how do we exactly want the AI to lead in the coming years. Your participation definitely reflects our shared conviction that the next breakthrough in AI won't be just about the larger models or the expansion of the compute power. Today we are talking about edge computing. Today we are talking about small language models. What can be pruned, how the efficiency can be brought into the AI sector. Since our first meeting, we have been greatly encouraged by the quality of inputs we have received. Your contributions have kind of inked at both the urgency and the opportunity before us to design the AI systems that are efficient, adaptable and accessible, even in the low resource settings. To start with, all the AI models, they came with high monthly subscriptions, which were required to be paid by the users of the AI. Today that is going down, and that needs to further go down if that needs to be more and more made accessible. As the AI systems scale up, the nations face rising pressures related to energy use. Today, in the start of the event, ma'am was talking about we have a lot of data centers which are coming up across, including in the Bangalore around area, in Andhra Pradesh, in Gujarat. What are we going to plan? How are we going to plan for this energy requirement, energy demand? A lot of, in fact, a lot of effort has gone into planning the resource adequacy plan for the states. Also, a lot of efforts has also gone in developing the open access systems, the captive power plant. The new rules, new regulations have come in to support the entire system. At the same time, there is a significant opportunity to design the AI systems that maximize societal benefits, and this would require minimizing the resource intensity through efficient models, adaptive architectures, and responsible deployment frameworks. As I mentioned, we have a working group which is working on the concept of innovation, resilience, and efficiency. AI must be resilient enough to function reliably across the context, and efficient enough to be accessible to all. Today's meeting brings different perspectives, in fact, diversity of perspectives. Your insights will help shape practical, globally relevant outcomes and ensure that our work reflects the world constraints and priorities. Also, as was mentioned by my earlier speakers, that there are a lot of fragmented digital systems which are there in different sectors, including in the energy sector. I would take this opportunity to mention that India currently is also working on the concept of India Energy Stack. So as we have the UPI model for the financial system, similarly we are developing the UPI model for the energy systems. And going forward, these energy, which we call as unified energy interface, that would be interacting with the UPI system, and that would make the energy as the new currency. So P2P platform is, that is peer-to-peer trading platform, is one thing which we are working on as one of the use cases under the India Energy Stack. And we are hopeful that in the India AI Summit, we'll be able to launch that as one of the platforms which would be a role model for the global community at large. And there are other five or six use cases that we are working on, which would really shape up the future in the distribution sector and in the power sector, in fact. The rollout of the smart meters has been one thing which has been really supporting this cause because of the real-time availability of the data. At this instance, I would like to thank India Institute of Science and Government of Karnataka for their efforts in convening this meeting, and I thank you all for participation and commitment to this important agenda. Thank you.